Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I wanted to show you something different than a normal sketch that I would normally have. So today I actually went through some of my old footage of what I had and some of my old boxes I had in the attic, and I came across something unique. A video that I don't remember doing but somehow did it. And I thought today would be very interesting to show you guys what it is. Maybe I could do something with the footage, maybe send it off to some big shot Hollywood studio to see if they'll take me one day. Please enjoy. Hello people of the internet! If you want to make a YouTube video but don't know what the right etiquette is for doing it, well, I'm the man to help you. My name is Robert and I'm going to teach you the proper etiquettes of making a video. Let's go! Before we start walking out the store, we need to find a right subject to show us all these steps. Let's talk to this guy. This is Robert. He's a young film actor who wants to learn how to make films properly. Doesn't know how to do it. So for him, we're going to show you, through him, what to do and what not to do on things. First things first.
We will need some things, like a camera, its battery, a bracket to attach stuff, a microphone, a light, but last but not least, a script. With this, now you can start filming some things. Now let's cover some do's and don'ts while filming a video. Do! It's always good to have good lighting in the background and the foreground of the frame to help illuminate the room and to show who is the main subject here.
Me and all my friends here, so let's take a look.
Don't! Only have minimum lights to light up the background. Do! Utilize your frame as much as you can. Try to fit everything in, close, neat, and tight, and so all the parts can be presented. Don't! Film far away, or have your subject be shot from a distance. He can't hear you, you can't hear him, so don't do it. Do!
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Check the sound quality. Make sure you can be heard, and make sure that you don't pick up any other outside noises. Pro tip.
Alright, check
Be
1.
careful where you film in certain locations.
Hi guys, this is Robert and welcome back. Train!
Or else this will happen to you, and you will have to wait until the noise dies down for you to resume filming. Do! Have a game plan. This may consist of having a script, the schedule, a shot list, costumes, props, and a couple other things to make sure it goes smoothly. Prepare for everything in case something happens. Don't start out with a plan. Improvising is really not a good way to go. Just don't. Do! Using a tripod to help stabilize your camera is one of the best ways to film a video. Don't. Try not to have friends or family record your videos for you. It makes it kind of shaky and kind of looks unfocused and controlled. Unless, of course, you're doing a video where it's supposed to be like that, then you're fine. Do! Take your time doing your shots. It's very important to make sure you try to get everything out. And if you make a mistake, don't be afraid to try to go back to make sure it's just perfect. Multiple takes means a better chance on getting the right delivery the first time. Don't! It's never good to rush a scene just to get it done and out of the way because you have a crazy schedule. Mistakes are made, lines are missed, you're wasting precious time. Really take the time to make sure that every shot is the best shot you can make. Do! Add some special effects to your videos. Make your videos more lively and engaging. Add things that will pop out from one place to another. Make some little shifts that will go eventually to the left, and to the right, to up, down, and all some other great things to make it more engaging for the audience to watch. Every video is different. Do your best to avoid these common mistakes. This will lead to misleading reviews, confusing looks, and probably less views on your videos. Don't. After uploading and you put all the files into the editing software, just don't delete them from the camera. There may be a point later where something may be bad and you have to go back to get all the footage, and you realizing they're all gone, and now you have to start all over again. Upload them to your computer and save it in a different file from where you would normally save it. This way you have a backup, and then anything you may have missed or accidentally deleted will be safe. Pro tip: while filming and making your videos, try not to show the world where you exactly live, because at some point you may get unwelcome visitors. It's best to avoid showing your street, your address, any general location on where someone may be able to find you.
Well, that's enough time we have for today, kids. I hope you learned a valuable lesson on the etiquettes of how to and not how to do some filming. Next time, we'll talk about editing and probably some other things. Well, see you later. Do you like it? I liked it too. And I actually, in the mail today, I got a letter to see if I got accepted to that school. Let's see.
So, did you get in? What did it say? Robert, are you okay? Robert? I'll go talk to him. Alright, let's just hit this record button and